Alright guys, so our social skills for this week, we are going to be discussing the don't quit. When you hear don't quit, what do you hear? What do you think about? When I hear don't quit, I think about not giving up. We continue until we get it done, until we are successful. So that's one thing that we can think about till the end of the school year. So today's objective is we will discuss about finishing strong and giving no excuses. Keyword, no excuses. So steps for success. 1, you set your goals. 2, you practice. Step 3, you improve. And step 4, you succeed. So step 1, when you set your goals, for example, if your goal is to run a mile, your goal is to finish a mile, not stop halfway. So the way you can get your mile is you practice. So you practice every day until you get there. Then you start seeing improvement. When you start seeing improvement, you finally meet your goal, which means you have succeeded. So these are your steps for success in anything that you do. One of the core values that we can think about when we are, So one of the core values that comes to mind is give no excuses when you are attempting something. When you're completing your work or a task that you're giving. So for example, if you're trying to make the ball in the basket, keep trying until you make it. You're going to keep shooting and shooting even if you hit the rim, but you're going to continue until that ball goes in the basket. That's giving no excuses. That's continuing to try. That's not giving up. So let's watch a short video.
I'm not gonna quit. I'm not gonna stop. Never giving up. I'm gonna make it to the top. I've got lots of grit. So do all my friends. When we try our best, we can make it to the end. When it gets harder, I work harder. I'm not afraid to try. I may be little or in the middle, but watch how I can fly. I'm not gonna quit. I'm not gonna stop. Never giving up. I'm gonna make it to the top. I've got lots of grit. So do all my friends. When we try our best, we can make it to the end. I used to worry, was in a hurry to be great right away. But it takes time for your body and mind to be the best someday.
It's important to set goals and keep going until you reach them. Don't get mad if you're not great at something right away. It took Thomas Edison a long time to perfect the light bulb, and it wasn't easy for Nancy Johnson to create the first ice cream maker. But I am so happy that they never gave up. Yum! So remember, you don't have to be perfect, just be happy that you tried your best.
I'm not gonna quit. I'm not gonna stop. Never giving up. I'm gonna make it to the top. I've got lots of grit. So do all my friends. When we try our best, we can make it to the end. I'm gonna make it to the end.
Good job. Alright guys, so there you go. For our first question, should a student not complete work? Yes or no? No, the student should always complete their work. So no, the answer should be no. The next question. What is the second step to success? Is it A, succeed, B, set your goal, or C, practice? We went over it. Yes, good job. We always practice. Once we set our goals, we practice. Our answer is C. What core value should we always use? Oh, is it A, team and family, B, no excuses, or C, give up? Good job. No excuses. So remember, guys, we should never ever give up.